Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Brix's Loft. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while because I did not go to the other race. It was in Dryden. And now we have a fire somewhere in Ontario, and we're heading to that area. And the clouds were pretty cloudy the other day, and I did not bring the birds. But today we will be going to Sioux Lookout or Ignace. That's 450 something kilometers. So here are the young birds. My first batch are molting pretty nice. Look at the Millie over there. I'm leaving 2 birds in here because their flight feathers, the very last flight feathers, are growing. So we're only bringing 4. I might even not take this one because the flight feathers are molted. But I will show you guys over here. We have 2 young ones over here, and these guys are laying another. And then my black eagle, I have a first baby from these guys. See, very pretty. Alright, I will show you guys another update on the young birds. Alright, here are the young birds. And here's some more of the racers. Okay, so we have babies here. Over here, and Papa over here is laying on the first egg. And over here, oh shoot, it's I forgot to put a band on it. Holy smoke, it's getting so big. I didn't even check in for 2 days and this is how it looks like. Oh my goodness, I better put the ring on that. Yeah. So that's the lop update here. So hello guys. Close that. I'll open this. It's been really hot. Yeah, so here's the garden update. I'm going taller. Alright, I will see you guys at the club.
Hello, my son.
How are you, amigo?
Yeah, I like your chair.
My brother forgot it. I didn't go to work today.
No problem.
The birds are good. to Ignace and Dryden. Sorry, not to look out. Good afternoon, guys.
Hello. So, what do I want to do now, right?
Yeah. How you doing?
Good.
Good. You got your video guy.
Yes, I got my video guide. On the last video, we got a few views and
Good. Good.
wondering if we can go back there again.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, I will show you. I will show you guys Brixis. This is Henry, Mr. Champion on the other race.
No, no. He's the
Let's go look at Mr. Jaroslav.
You don't want to filter me?
No. This is Dick's lot. A whole garage full. Breeding section, cock section, hen section, everything. How can we beat these people now? How can we beat them?
I don't know, but look, this one, not the half we have.
Wow. Look at that bird.
What? Oh, I think I have the same roots.
This is the stock birds. Okay, we will pause you guys for a second and when we will video you guys when we are going to crate.
Need more meat, need more meat.
Yeah, let that one go.
Yeah?
Yeah, let it go.
No, don't do that. I have learned never to do that. Because you think you're coming home, there's a hawk, there's wires, he gets lost, and your best pig is back.
Back in the crate.
Never do that.
Put it back.
You can ask Bill that same thing. You know what to learn by mistakes. You think they're going to go.
So we're only going to fly 3 because the feathers of this one is done. We got 3 birds to go to Dryden
I was going to say,
because they're molting really bad.
I check his weight.
Mr. Champ over here.
Now he's got one flight, right? So it's going to be.
So how many hours do you have it in the winter time in your lights?
Oh, nothing.
Nothing.
Like no, the winter time they sleep, they get fat, they're finished molting by the end of November. It's like maybe the
Do
August.
you like put it a little bit for breeding because I turned mine on for
breeding is a
breeding.
different story. I don't make my pigeons at the end of February.
Yeah.
My eggs, first eggs are 10 March 10. You guys have 3rd eggs already. I don't do that.
I'm on my 5th eggs.
My first round is a 15 in January.
Yes, oh my goodness.
No, you see that's the thing is I'm in Mexico on vacation till the end of February.
Yeah.
I go January, February, I'm not here.
Yeah, you know, in Mexico, they warm.
Oh, that's a beautiful bird. What do they call that color? A saddle?
I call him a red saddle. But he doesn't trap very well. He flies prizes, but he doesn't trap very well. He's a donkey. He doesn't like to come in. Because these guys are not flying for hens. They've never been mated, right? Never.
How many did you put in the basket, sir?
9?
9. Me? 3. What about you, Mr.
One
Cornelius?
beard.
I had 14 with the old team,
Yeah.
and here I think I have 24, 23. And there's one more box, right? Yeah. One more.
ugly bird.
Very ugly. Come. Slowly molting.
Yeah.
But it's still good. And that's it. We will let this one go. Bring this to the club. Thank you, sir. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow.
Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, the race day, and we are ready for the birds to come home. So my young bird team over here. So I set up the clock already. I'm just letting it cool inside there. So we're gonna start giving them nice food. So when they come home, they can have as much as they want. Eat all you can buffet. If they ever make it home. They will be going to Dryden. Got fresh water for them. Thanks guys, good morning. Okay. And the trap door is ready. Let's start. So there's a possibility that I might not be home to videotape the birds when they come home. But we will see. I'll try my best to get to home as possible. Alright, I will see you guys later. Oh, by the way, thank you for the 200 subscribers. Hello guys. I was not here for the first bird to arrive. So we have our second bird. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, don't be like that. Go inside. There we go. Finally. So they came in at 13:56, and the other one 14:36. We're missing one more. So here's the first one that came home. This one was the first one that came home. And second one. It's very hot, so we'll close this now. Yeah, it's a very, very hot day. It's a hard race, plus 35, and Ooh, very hot. Well, I will see you guys when the results come. I hope the Grizzle come home. Okay guys, welcome back. We've got our result. This one is from the Ignace, 250 miles. We didn't attend this one, but we attended this one, Dryden, 190 miles. So, Breaks del Carmen with 3 birds, 8662. We needed 29 minutes and 20 seconds to win, but that's still pretty good. Some of them didn't get even points, so out of 75 birds on the race B. This one is race A. And they were released 8:45, and it was a very, very hot day. Yeah. So yeah, our next race is going to be Ignace and Dryden, but probably it's going to be decline because so far of the forest fires there's a lot of fires going on. It's making the sky very smoky, and we found that it's difficult for the birds to fly, and we don't want to take that risk, especially in this kind of heat. But anyways, that's all for now. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe.